Imagine being blind for a minute. The world, how would you take it in? Could you see through every lie and where it all began? Could you see through bodies? Could you see through fears? All internal heartache, all internal tears. Imagine your world ripped away with everything you know. Imagine life cut short, unable to grow. Imagine they kill your people and it's justified. Well, it's not justified in God's eyes. Never let them put your spirit under bricks. Put your faith inside your hand and keep a tight grip. Hold on with everything you got because you got this. And when the enemy shoots his shots, you remember who's on top. Remember who you are. Made inside his image, don't waste the power that you got. Can't you see there are no limits? I made up my mind on what I'm doing. Determined to set my mind on what to pursue. Make goals and execute them. Then there's no such thing as losing. I got, all the fight I fought, I won't stop till I drop. For all the tears I cried, all the pain I held inside, I won't stop trying till I die. With everything I got, all the fights I fought, I won't stop till I drop. For all the tears I cried, all the pain I held inside, I won't stop trying till I die. Imagine saying you need help, no one believes you. All your parents do is blame you when they grieve you. Imagine no one cares and you cry alone at night. You hide inside the dark cause you don't wanna be in sight. Imagine feeling hopeless like nobody understands. You tried to give your heart away but all they ever did was ran. Imagine all your hopes thrown in the wastebasket. Last time I kissed my fiance, he was laying in a casket. I miss him so much that it makes me wanna throw up. I can't wait till I get to heaven, God please let me show up. With everything I got, all the fights I fought, I won't stop till I drop. For all the tears I cried, all the pain I held inside, I won't stop trying till I die. With everything I got, all the fights I fought, I won't stop till I drop. For all the tears I cried, all the pain I held inside, I won't stop trying till I die. Imagine hanging from a rope, then changing your mind. Please don't ever give up, keep the faith inside. Imagine staying blind to the truth on purpose. Missed your whole point, the devil yells and God whispers. Now imagine a place that holds your treasures. Love poured out beyond measures. Imagine giving everything and not getting walked on. Imagine seeing some water and just walking on it. Imagine a place we could all be friends, with fancy instrumentals and sound beautifully blends. Imagine looking your creator in the eyes and seeing fire. Love so strong you feel his only desire. Imagine being free, no need for weapons, all your treasures stored. Imagine heaven, everything I got, all the fights I fought, I won't stop till I drop. For all the tears I cried, all the pain I held inside, I won't stop trying till I die. With everything I got, all the fights I fought, I won't stop till I drop. For all the tears I cried, all the pain I held inside, I won't stop trying till I die. This is wild nature, hidden treasures.